What's up, Cast Cooking fam? Thanks for joining me again. Today we're going to use the Char-Griller Premium Griddle and we're going to make some arracheras or skirt steak tacos. And with Cinco de Mayo right around the corner, this is a recipe you don't want to miss out on. It's going to be great. Check it out. Alright guys, let's get this party started. Right here I've got 5 pounds of skirt steak. You can pick it up at your local butcher. I went to my local carniceria. Really cool little Latino shop. They got a butcher there, grocery store, everything. So we're going to get a marinade together and marinate this steak for a minimum of 4 hours. So in here I've got half of a white onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and beneath all this I've got about 8 to 10 sprigs of cilantro that I kind of ripped up and just shoved in there. So we're going to just throw that in. If I had to call it anything, it's about a 1/3 cup of cilantro. Toss that in. Here I've got 1/4 cup of lime juice and 1/4 cup of lemon juice, totaling a 1/2 cup. Throw that in there. Here I've got 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of oregano leaves, and this is optional. If you like heat, I'm adding 1/2 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. If you don't like heat, you can leave this out. If you like more heat, you can increase that amount. This is 1/2 tablespoon. So we're just going to toss that in there. There is one more ingredient I'm going to throw in here. Last ingredient is your favorite Mexican beer. I'm going to use Modelo. You can use whatever beer you prefer, honestly. I'm probably going to use 3/4 of this 24-ounce can, so about 18 ounces. We're going to seal up our bag here. Try to get most of the air out. I'm going to mix this all together. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just add the rest of the can. Give us a little more wiggle room. You can split up this recipe and the meat into 2 separate bags if you want to go that route. I'm just throwing it all in one bag because, well, I didn't think ahead. And I like to make things difficult on myself. So if you're going to get 5 pounds of meat, put 2.5 pounds in one bag, 2.5 pounds in the other. Split these ingredients down the middle and put them in each bag and then mix it together. You'll just have more room in the bag to move stuff around. So once you get it all mixed up, throw in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. You can go overnight if you want to. Me, I am eating in 6 hours, so I'll probably let this go about 5.5 hours because this stuff cooks really fast on the griddle. So I'll see you in 5 hours. Alright, all that's left to do is start cooking. So we're going to get our burner set to high, start this griddle up, and once it's nice and hot, we're going to throw them on there. Let's get a nice coating of oil on here. A lot of paper towels. Looking pretty good. Like I said, this does not take long at all. Probably 2 or 3 minutes on each side. Ready to go. Let's get them off of here and get them inside. Alright guys, let's get some of this white boy arracheras cut up here. I threw some of these tortillas, these corn tortillas, on the griddle also to soften them up, warm them up a bit. Get some little strips in here. I like my tacos with cilantro, white onion, and just to kick it up a bit, some Valentina's extra hot sauce. Look how good that looks. Let's give it a shot, see how we did. Best time is taco time. This is probably one of my top 5 favorite foods. Great for any party, any get together. You whip some of this up. Skirt steak. It's kind of expensive. I think I got this for like $8 a pound. But when you make tacos with it, it goes a long way. That stuff's really good. Like I said, marinate it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. We threw it on the griddle today. You can throw it on a charcoal grill. Give it a try. Be well worth your time. The longest part is waiting for it to marinate in the fridge. That's it. It cooks so fast. It's so delicious. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.